Hello guys, so today we are going to learn about routing in React application. Okay, means how we are going to do routing in our React application, like switching from one page to another. Okay, so for that, first you need to install one little package which is React Router DOM. Okay, so what does this do? This is a simple utility which help us to have routing functionality in our React application. Okay, so as React is a little library, so it does not come with itself a routing package or something like that. So when you download it from the uh, third party or whatever library we need to download. Okay, so first just you need to write a simple command npm install I for install, or you can simply write down install also. Both are same. React dash router dash dom, and after this you can hit enter. And what this is going to do, this is just going to install React router dom in your project. Okay, so after installing this, the next thing you're going to do, I'm going to just simply write a boilerplate rfce and just hit enter, and this is your simple bare minimum React application. What happened? Okay, just creating a simple okay, yeah, okay, oh no, yeah, so just creating a simple bare minimum React, typing in hello world so that we can see something popping up in our screen. So for that, just to go to the desktop, YouTube, yeah. Next we need to just write npm start. Now you can see one hello world is popping up in our screen. So next thing, just simply we are going to create a folder in there, and we are just going to create some files on which we are going to through which we are going to navigate. Okay, so for that, just create a new okay, not like that. Okay, just create a new folder called components, and in that component create a new file called header.js. Create another file which is simply page1.js. Create another file which is simply page2.js. This is like three files we are having. Another thing in here, what we are going to do, let's first create some couple of links in there. Okay, okay, in header part, so make sure to name it as capital H, otherwise React will give you an error. Okay, here we are going to import link from React Router DOM. This will just provide linking to different pages of our application. Okay, so first I'm going to create link, and in that let's provide page one. It will redirect us to some page. Let's name it as 2 slash page one. Just copy it, and this will be called as page 2. Let's keep it a fragment so that it won't messes up our code structure. So yeah, so we are done with our basic header. Make it page 2. Yeah, this is your basic header, and in page 1 we are just going to uh, write here with a h1 tag. I am okay. So we are done with our page 1, and simply I'm going to copy paste this to page 2, and in here we are going to write page 2. um, One more page I'm going to make here, which is wildcard. I will tell you in a little bit that why we need this file. This one will help us to show that 404 error if some route is not found for that. And we are just going to put here something like 44 page not found. So we are done with our basic pages where we need to redirect. So now let's come to the meat part of our application, which is app.js. Here our basic routing will leave. Okay. So first we need to import all the pages. React provides us a nice shortcut of having that. Page 1, page 2, then we are going to have wildcard. All the things are imported, I guess. Yeah. Next thing we are going to import something from our React Rotterdam. I think we need to import it right here. So to keep a right order, so import something from React Router DOM. And in that part, what we are going to use? Switch. Next thing we need to use is route. Next thing we are going to use is browser router. So after that, in here we are just going to provide our header at first. No, first we are going to have our browser router. Every link and whatever we need in our routing must go inside this browser router. Okay, like whatever we are going to use from this React router DOM must be within this browser router opening and closing tag, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so first we are going to have this header. Okay, after that we are going to have this switch and case. This is used just for switching between pages. We are using this switch and case. And after that we are going to use this router, sorry, route. And this is really simple. We are going to have something like path, and this path will go something like this. And let's say this will be called as component will be something called, sorry, page 1. And let's make another route which is of path slash page 2, and here component of page 2. Okay, so we need to change something in our header also, because for page 1 we have given this just a slash. We are going to give this one, otherwise it won't serve us nicely. And what we are going to do at last, if somebody hits a route which does not exist, then what we are going to do, we are going to give them a wildcard entry to this wildcard, whatever we have. wildcard. When this route does not exist, then we are going to serve them with a wildcard, which is 404 error. Okay, so this makes sense. So let's go there in our application. Here we can see here we are seeing here two pages. If I just click on page 2, I'm not seeing anything. Page 1, maybe I have messed it up here. Page 2, let's go there in page 2. I'm in page 2. In page 1 also I have. Okay, got that. This is really a common error because what we are telling our application to do is match this path, okay, then serve this one, okay, and here also this path exists, so it is not serving this one, it is always serving this one, it is falling back again to this one. So to make this work, what we need to do, we need to make this as exact, means only work when this path exactly matches to this slash, otherwise won't serve this page one, otherwise serve that page two. If both the path don't exist, then just serve those wildcard entries whatever we are having here. Okay, so just go there and let's see what we are having. I don't know what is happening. Okay, in page 2, if I'm clicking here, let's see. Oh, I haven't saved this one, that's why it is having problem. Okay, so if I'm just clicking on page 1, I'm seeing this page 1, seeing this page 2, this one and page 2. Okay, so let's say if I hit some other route which does not exist though, then what will happen, we are going to see something like 404 page not found. And using similar logic, you can create your own sidebar logic also. Like if you want some application like having some sidebar, side panel, and then you are having some dashboard kind of a feel, then also you can use the similar logic. Only the thing will be there is this header will go on like side, and this switch will be on the main content area. Okay, so they like this you can apply it to your different application, and you can try out a lot of things in there. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, do it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you in our next video. Thanks.